Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into Delta Dental app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Delta Dental mobile app is pretty handy. It lets you pull up your digital ID card, check claims and coverage, find in-network dentists nearby, and even use a cost estimator to get rough ideas of how much a dental procedure might cost. And on the downside, some user reports that the app still force you to log in every section, and more detailed benefits or EOB sometimes aren't showing directly in the app, depending on your plan. So my opinion, if you are on a Delta Dental plan, the app is absolutely worth using for quick access to key insurance information, but don't rely on it for every details. Some deeper benefit management may still require the web portal, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.